late, it's very late. If you remember from my last video, we were supposed to see the sunrise at Buddha temple, but unfortunately that couldn't happen. Now the time is something around 10 o'clock and we are heading to the first location. But before we get started, let me tell you a story. Imagine you're a farmer. One day you wake up to find that your land is split into half because of the earthquake that happened the previous day. And somehow you find a way to do farming in the same land again. 1 year later, another earthquake strikes and this time it is worse. But somehow again you find a way to do farming in the same land. And 3 years later, another earthquake strikes your land. How would you feel?
Hello, welcome to the Land Speed.
He is the person about whom I was talking. After the third earthquake, he decided to make his farm a tourist spot, and now almost all the tourists who come to Pai visit this land. Not just because of the land split, but also for his hospitality. And also for the chemical-free agriculture produces. And you know what? He doesn't charge a single penny for any of these. There is a donation box in which you can make your donations as per your wish. This is Rosella juice. Actually, this is the... is it a flower?
Yeah, flower.
Okay. So from this flower, they prepare this juice. It's kind of... yeah, it's good. It's kind of sour and sweet. Do you add anything else? Flour and?
Yeah.
Flour, you add
and
sweet?
Sugar a little bit.
What? Sugar, okay. We can go down, it seems. Near the land split, there was this beautiful lake where we thought we'll sit for some time. So now we are in the Pai Canyon. This is the most visited place in Pai. Let's go and find out what is so unique about this place that every tourist come here. The Pai Historic Bridge was constructed by the Japanese Army during World War II to carry weapons and provisions from Chiang Mai to Burma. guess there's something around 100-200 steps that you have to climb. Name of this temple is Travelogues. So this Buddha temple is built in such a way that from here Buddha overlooks the Pai town, the entire Pai town. And he is a lucky person, he gets the most stunning view every day. This cafe Earthstone is famous in Pai for vegan and vegetarian food. That's all for the video, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video from Krabi.